Hi, I'm Stephen Gleason. Welcome to this week's Right to Work report. SEIU union bosses are turning the screws on nurses in Pomona, California because they refuse to toe the union line. That's why attorneys with the National Right to Work Foundation recently helped Jeannie Battisher file federal charges against SEIU Local 121 RN. Union bosses actually threaten nursing professionals with the possibility of jail, fines, and arrests for refusing to abandon their patients during a union-ordered strike. Veteran Foundation staff attorney Glenn Taubman describes the nurses' case.
SEIU officials threatened nurses that they would have to pay retroactive back dues after their contract expired, even though the absence of a contract means that there can be no legal obligation for non-union members to pay dues to the union that they want nothing to do with. Then, after calling a series of crippling nursing strikes at Pomona Valley Hospital, a union official cited an unenforceable California law and threatened nurses with fines and jail time if they refused to abandon their patients.
True to form, SEIU union bosses are shamelessly flouting federal law in an effort to intimidate these nurses. Here's how Jeannie Battisher put it in her own words over the phone.
It's not right that you have to choose between whether you're going to come to work and take care of your patients or you're going to side with the union. That it's just not right. Nurses should not have to make those decisions.
Unfortunately, the nurses have had one setback. A local NLRB official made a preliminary decision to dismiss the charges, despite clear precedent to the contrary. The nurses have now appealed to the agency in Washington, D.C., which will make the final decision in this case. Meanwhile, the nurses have secured an election to determine whether to toss out the union altogether. Although uprooting an entrenched union is always an uphill struggle for employees, an election provides a glimmer of hope for employees stuck with a totally unaccountable union. Until next time, on behalf of the National Right to Work Foundation, I'm Stephen Gleason.